In this video, I will show you how to edit the Christmas flyer template or Christmas holiday invitation template or Christmas party invitation template. You can download this Christmas template from the link in the description section below. Coming up. Hi everyone, I am Harshvardhan. Welcome to harshvardhanart.com. In this video, I will show you how you can edit the Merry Christmas party invitation template. This is a Photoshop template which I have made for you. You can just edit the text and replace the text, and then you can print this and you can use it as the party invitation or holiday party invitation or for any other need. So you can download this from the link in the description section below. This is available on etsy.com and on my shop. The download link is in the description section below. So let's get started. After downloading, you will receive this PSD file inside the downloading folder, and you need to open this file Christmas flyer template 1 or 2 depending on which template you have downloaded, and just double click it and it's going to launch in Photoshop, or you can go to the files and select open, and then you can browse that file PSD file from your downloaded folder, and then it would be launched. So here you can edit all the text according to your needs. Before you proceed any editing, what you need to do, you need to save it as a different name. So you can save it as, you can just rename it as edited. So after saving, that would remain safe. The original template would remain safe if you somehow made any mistake or somehow accidentally anything goes wrong. That is why saving a copy of it is very important. And before you start any editing, what you have to do, you have to install the 2 fonts. One is a Roboto for this one, and it differs from template to template. And in the second is this one, Amarlio. The font download link you will find in the PDF file or PDF help file, and you can just go to those links and download and install those fonts. Only then you would be able to use this font if they are not already installed in your PC. And let's start editing this template. And thereafter you can change all these texts. So number 1, this text is free entry. Suppose you want to make it paid, so just double click it and then you can make it just, let's say, $29 entry. All right, and then you can change the second text, Club Holiday Presents. So you can just double click it and rename with your own brand or whatever you want, and then you can change the date. So suppose if you want to change it to something else, just double click it and that date would be changed. Then move on to the next one, Merry Christmas. Suppose somehow want to change it to Happy New Year, so you can just double click it and type happy, and let me show you happy. Suppose if it feels very big and it's not good, you can just go to the Windows and select the characters, and from this panel, this first option, you can just click and drag it and make it smaller. All right, and you can reposition this text anywhere else if you want, and then you can change the Christmas, so you can just change it to the New Year. All right, so you can just adjust the position of the text as well. And then you have this option, music, food, drink, fun. So if you want to somehow change this text, you can just change that by just double clicking it here and selecting music. If you want to write something else, and then select food and write something else, select drink and write something else, and fun. So this is how you can change it. Then you have this button text, so you can just double click it and you can change it, click now, book now, or anything else, whatever you want. And then you have your address text. So this is the top address, so you can type the house number, apartment number, or whatever. And then you have the street address, so you can just type it. And suppose your address somehow goes beyond this, then what you can do, you can make the size smaller and it's gonna fit into this one. So you can see the size of this text, or this text is now just included within this. All right, and then you have this option more info. So if you want to place your website address or some other information regarding some online information or online website or blog, then you can just enter that here over here. All right, and thereafter once you are ready, press file and save, and then you can go to the file and select print. Otherwise, if you don't have your own printer, what you can do, you can export this as a PDF file. How you can export it as a PDF file? You can go to the file and select save as, and from this drop down menu you can select the PDF, Photoshop PDF file, and then you can select the save and it would be saved. All right, here you will see this options, high quality print. So select high quality print, and then you can just leave everything as it is and then select the save PDF, and then you can press save and it would be saved as a PDF file. It's going to take some time depending on the speed of your system, and it has been saved. Now we can check this out. So this is the PDF file and the size of this is 142 MB. So you can just double click it and it's going to launch in your default PDF program or software, and this is the high resolution image. So you can just take it to your printer and then he can print it from there. So you'll get a very good quality, and the colors of the monitor are different, and the colors of your mobile screen are different, and your printer would be different. So there would be slightest of variations between the colors, so that should not be a problem. All right, so thank you so much. I hope you have found this video useful. If you did, hit the like button. If you have any question or if you want to say something, leave that in the comment section below. And if you have not subscribed to this channel, please consider subscribing. And to subscribe, just hit the big red button below this video and don't forget to click the bell icon as well. That way you will not miss any new video from my channel.